tiny sandtails.
Hello, little artists, and welcome back to Dinosaur Month. Last week we met Rexy, the amazing singing T-Rex. Today, our adventure continues with a new friend who is super strong, has 3 awesome horns, but has a very gentle heart. Let's go to Emma to meet the wonderful Triceratops.
Thank you, Pipo. It's time to open our magical storybook for today. This story is called Trixie's Clever Horns, and it's all about a gentle Triceratops named Trixie who had a very big heart. Let's start with Trixie's kind eyes, using a little white and black sand. Now for her magnificent frill. We'll make it beautiful with a gradient of light purple, purple, and dark purple. Trixie also had 3 very strong horns. Let's make them and her little beak a beautiful dark purple.
What do you think a kind Triceratops like Trixie uses her horns for?
Let's find out. Next, let's decorate her back with some sunny yellow spots and give her a big, strong blue body. And of course, some cheerful orange cheeks. And for her little hooves, a strong black sand. Trixie was strong, but most of all, she was very, very clever. One sunny afternoon, Trixie was walking through a field. Before we color her world, let's place our stickers for the palm trees, rocks, and little grass tufts. And let's sprinkle some yellow dots for tiny flowers. Now let's fill in the ground with light brown sand for the path and light green for the fresh green grass. Doesn't it look like a beautiful day for a walk? As Trixie walked, she heard a sad little sound coming from near a big fruit tree. Let's reveal our hidden details. We'll color the dark green grass tufts, the gray rocks, and over here the tall palm tree. It was near this tree that Trixie saw 2 little dinosaurs looking very sad. Trixie asked them,
"Hello, little ones. Why the long faces?"
"Oh, Trixie, the sweetest red fruits are at the very top of the tree, and we're too small to reach them."
Trixie looked up. The little dinosaurs were right. The reddest, sweetest fruit was at the very top of the tree, too high to reach. The beautiful sunset was starting, turning the sun from yellow to red. Soon it would be too dark. The little dinosaurs had tried jumping, but they were too small. Trixie was much too big to climb the tall tree, but she noticed one fruity branch that was hanging just low enough for her to reach with her head.
How would you get the fruit down from a very tall tree?
Trixie had a clever idea. As we fill in the light blue sky, let's save a spot for the sleepy volcano. What sound does a volcano make?
A big rumble.
Trixie put her plan into action. She walked carefully to the tree. She gently placed her strong horns under the fruity branch and pulled down slowly and carefully. The branch bent down, and the little dinosaurs could finally reach the fruit. They cheered for Trixie's clever and helpful idea. Far in the distance, the volcano puffed gentle purple smoke, and the cloud in the sky turned a happy pink.
Hooray! You did it, Trixie. You're the best.
You're welcome, little friends. Enjoy the fruit.
Trixie didn't use her horns for fighting. She used her strength and her unique features to be a kind and clever helper. She learned that the best use of our talents is to lift others up. What a clever and kind friend Trixie is. Now let's welcome Ava to review the new words we learned.
Review. Triceratops. 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 Horn. 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 Strong. 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 Sunset. 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 Volcano. 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 Purple. 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 Blue. 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 Yellow. 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 Orange. 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 Brown. Brown. Brown.
Wow, Trixie is so smart and so kind. She used her big, strong horns to be gentle and helpful. Her story shows us that a kind heart is the best guide, and that helping our friends is the greatest superpower of all. I have a question for you. What is one helpful thing you can do for someone today? Thank you for joining our Dinosaur Month adventure. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We have more amazing dinosaurs coming soon. Roarsome!
See you next time on Tiny Sand Tales. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.